This video will provide best practices for loading your products. Do not place bottles in dual coils. We recommend using a tray with 9 selections across, not 10. Only use 10 selection trays for small diameter beverages. Place 6 count coils at 7 o'clock to prevent bottles from falling out when the tray is pulled out. 16-ounce water bottles can be placed in 7 count coils. When loading candy, be sure to choose a coil count that suits the product. There must be no interference when inserting the item into the coil. The item should not be too loose and be supported to provide good presentation. Place the coils at 7 o'clock. Load sandwiches standing up. Make sure coils are at 7 o'clock on the left and 5 o'clock on the right. This also works for wedge sandwiches. Using 10 count coils for mini donuts can help you fit 70 to 80 packages in one tray. Place the donuts in the coils vertically. Here we are using 9 count coils for snacks. To make sure the coils are correct, load 3 products, lift up the bags. If the coils come up, it's too tight. The snacks should be able to be removed from the coils. Snacks that are shoved into coils that are too tight for them have air released from the bag and become stale faster. Canadian large serving snack bags are bigger and need 9 count coils. US large serving snacks generally are okay with 10 count coils. 5 count dual coils are great for food platters and salads in these plastic containers. When loading your elevator machine, make sure your products are not inhibiting the elevator's movement or triggering the iVend sensors, making them think that an item has been dispensed. For more assistance, contact Vendnet technical support at 1-800-833-4411 or email service@vendnetusa.com.